Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rate a driver on Lyft. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the Lyft application and proceed forward with your credentials, you will be taken into the home page from which you can simply enter your destination and you will see the various different options of Lyft that you can book. After you tap on your preferred option and then tap on select, you will be able to see the confirm and request option. Go ahead and tap on this button, and now once someone has accepted your ride offer, you will be contacted by this driver and they will come to pick you up. Once you have completed your ride, you will be asked within the Lyft application on what kind of rating you would like to give this driver. Within this screen, you can simply provide your rating and a review as well if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to rate your driver on the Lyft app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.